Thank you very much po.
We would like also to acknowledge the arrival
Maraming salamat po sa Mr. Olalia.
online personality and the sponsor also of today's event, Rosmar.
Rosmar, Rondon, at saka si Marky. Maraming salamat. Nandito sila ngayon. Please welcome. Bigyan na lang natin ang upuan.
Ayan.
Dito na lang siguro.
Congratulations, Diwata.
At palapakan po natin. And next to speak is our the Honorable handsome Vice Mayor of Quezon City, Honorable Gian Soto.
Thank you very much po una sa lahat, Diwata, for inviting us. And alam mo, sa totoo lang, maraming mga taga-QC na dumadayo ng Manila para matikman po yung blessing, yung luto na i-share mo sa taong bayan.
Very successful ang grand opening ng Diwata Paris Overlook Quezon City brand. Magpo, Ship at saka Chef Boy Longro, thank you so much.
From Easy.
Dahil nakarating tayo dito sa grand opening ng Diwata pa umarap magluto. Oo.
Isang pamagpalang umaga sa ating lahat. Good morning!